watch every video in that library in Louology, and you will end up so much smarter and tighter, more focused. You'll know how to guerrilla market. You'll know what to focus your energies on and how to get people walking in your door, just how to get it flowing and how to get over crap in your head. So I want to tell you how incredibly invaluable it is.
Yeah, you guys, the videos we created, just to let you know, I believe it's 27 or 30 videos. They're bite sized, so it's easy to comprehend, 10 to 50 minutes long, covering every possible topic that you need to know to grow an aesthetic practice, from paid marketing on Google, organic marketing, social media, event marketing, TV, radio, print, email, texting, doing consults, opening med spa, getting medical director, et cetera, et cetera. So basically, it comes out to like a one-time fee of like $2 a video to have for the rest of your life. And so again, that's not a moneymaker for us. It's just kind of an added value for our platform of content. If you join Louology for free, I think there's a couple of videos for free. And so that's why we created that. Yeah.
There's 4 free ones. So see if you like them.